In today's video, we're going to be walking through Gling AI and how to use it to edit your videos automatically. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if editing feels super overwhelming or you spend hours cutting pauses and filler words, this tool could save you so much time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Gling does, how to use it, and whether it's something worth adding to your workflow. Let's get into it. So what Gling actually is. So Gling is an AI-powered video editing platform that cuts out dead space, filler words, silence, and awkward pauses from your footage automatically. Instead of manually dragging clips around inside editing software, Gling scans your footage and it cleans it up for you. You still get control to review everything and make adjustments, but the bulk of the work is done for you. It's mainly designed for YouTubers, content creators, and business owners who film talking head videos, tutorials, or even interviews. The main goal is super simple. You record your content, you upload it, and then let Gling clean it up and then export or finalize it in your preferred editing software. It doesn't replace your creativity or anything like that. It just removes the tedious parts of editing so you can focus on storytelling and quality. So let's dive into some of the key features. So number one is the automatic cut detection. So the biggest feature is automatic editing. When you upload your raw footage, Gling looks for pauses, stumbles, filler words, and long gaps, and then cuts them for you. Instead of clicking and cutting clips manually, Gling prepares a clean version for you in seconds or minutes, depending on the length. This helps because most creators spend so much time trimming silence and removing mistakes, but with Gling, you start with a cleaner first draft. Number two is the transcript-based editing. So when your footage uploads, Gling creates a full transcript, so you can edit the video by editing the transcript, which is so much easier for people who don't love dragging clips around a timeline. If you remove a line of text, that part of the video gets cut automatically. Number three is filler word removal. So Gling automatically detects words like like, or so yeah, and other natural filler sounds. So you can choose to remove them all or keep some if your speaking style feels more conversational with them left in. It doesn't force a robotic feel, and you can kind of control how tight you want the edit. Number four is the silence trimming and timing control. So some people like really fast-paced jump cuts, while others like a slower, more natural pace, and Gling lets you pick how aggressive you want the silence removal to be. This really matters because not every video needs rapid cuts. Number five is custom rules and creator preferences. So over time, you can teach Gling how you like your edits. You can save settings, preferences, and stylistic choices, so it edits your videos the way you like without having to redo the setup every single time. Number six is export to editing software. So Gling isn't really meant to fully replace your editor. Instead, it creates a clean cut that you can send into tools like Premiere Pro or Final Cut or even DaVinci Resolve. Okay, now let's get into actually how to use it. So if you don't already have a free Gling account, we actually do have an exclusive link down below so you can get started for free and follow along with me. So once you click that link, you'll go ahead and click start for free. Then we'll go ahead and click sign up. We'll go ahead and connect with Google. You can also use an email though as well. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is drag a video in here. So now what we can do is edit with AI or extract shorts. So this will be good, for example, if you were doing a podcast episode and you wanted to find shorts. Talking head example. Okay, continue. Okay, so you will have to verify your email. Verify. Continue. Okay, so now from here, what you can do is they have a couple of different ways you can enhance your video. So you can cut the silences out, which is typically what a lot of people like to do. You can cut bad takes, remove filler words, which is really great. So like I said, they do a lot of like, whatever it may be. A filler word that I say on my podcast a lot is okay and right. So although it won't immediately find those, what you can do is search for the word and then you can delete all of those really easy on the editor, on like the script editor. You also can add auto captions. There's also auto zooms where it'll cut in and out. You can add a like and subscribe button. I'm going to turn that off right now. You can also enhance audio and then AI background as well. So we'll go ahead and click edit. Now, as you can see, it's already trimmed a bunch of stuff out because it can see that I started and then I stopped and then I went again and kind of started over the same word. So it's really, really cool. You can show cuts. You can also skip them. So as you can see, the skip parts is turned off. See how it shows that part, but if we want to turn that off so we can just see what it would look like. See how this also cut. So we also can correct it. So what's cool is if Gling deletes something that you want in there, all you have to do is click this button right here, the little scissors, and it will add and remove it. So let's just say there is a word that you say a lot that it didn't pick up on, you can just search it right here. And that way you can replace it with something, or you can just come in here and go ahead and delete them. So you just click trim. Okay. And then you also can adjust the pace. So this side is keeping all of the pauses and this side is having absolutely no pauses. So you can kind of decide how quick you want the cuts to be, which is really cool too. And you can kind of play around to see what you like. Of course, you can also come in here and edit as much as you would like. So what's cool is you can edit directly on the script right here, or you can edit it in the timeline. So it makes it really, really easy to, again, skip, because sometimes it's harder to find if you want to cut out one word, it's really hard to do it on a timeline. But in here, it makes it really, really easy to do that. And then as soon as you are done, you can go ahead and export. So you can export it directly from here as a video, audio, shorts, or you can export it as an XML file to Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, and you can even export to CapCut as well. Now let's touch on the different plans and pricing options. So what's really cool is they actually do have a free plan. So the free plan is up to 1 hour of media processed, unlimited video exports with the watermark though, and then no premium support. And they do have monthly plans or annual plans, but you can save 50% by signing up for the annual plan. So they've got the Plus plan, which is $10 a month paid annually. And this is up to 10 hours of media per month, unlimited video export with no watermark, and then no premium support. Then they've got the Pro plan, which is $20 per month paid annually. And this is 30 hours of media and unlimited video export, and then premium support is included. And then lastly is the Elite plan, which is $50 a month paid annually. With this, you get up to 100 hours of media processed per month, unlimited video export, and then premium support as well. If you want to dive into even more of the key features, you can just click the link in the description below, and then you can click this arrow and then you'll be able to see. But even the free plan gives you a lot of cool features that you can check out and just see if it even fits into your workflow and if you like it. Now let's go ahead and touch on the pros and cons so you can decide if this is a good fit for your workflow. Starting off with the pros, so a clear pro is just time saving. Editing is one of the most time consuming parts of YouTube, and this tool removes a huge chunk of that workload. Another pro is just ease of use. You don't need advanced editing skills. Beginners can use this confidently right away. It also reduces brain fatigue. Instead of editing for hours, you start from a polished base, so your creative energy goes towards storytelling and visuals. And if you already edit in another program, Gling just fits right in. It doesn't replace your system. It just enhances it and makes it 10 times faster. Now for the cons. So a con is that this tool sticks to a specific style of content. If you make cinematic videos or heavy effects driven edits, this is not going to replace your workflow completely. Another con is that sometimes AI can cut things too tightly if you set trimming too aggressively. So you may need to review and loosen the settings. And if you don't film often, the value may feel lower. This makes the most sense for consistent creators. Now, before we wrap up, I just wanted to touch on some bonus tips to really help you get the most out of Gling. So number one is to film in longer takes instead of stopping a lot. With Gling, doing the trimming, long takes become easier. You don't need to stop and restart every time you mess up. Just pause, restart your thought, and then keep going. Number two is to speak naturally. Don't try to be perfect. AI cuts the awkward parts, so let yourself talk how you normally would. It helps your content feel real and just saves so much energy. Number three is to add subtitles and B-roll after Gling cleans the base cut. Instead of building edits from scratch, build on a clean foundation. It just makes everything smoother. Number four is to keep your pace consistent. Adjust silence trimming settings until it feels like your natural speaking style, not rushed. Number five is to use Gling for batch recording days. If you film multiple videos in one session, upload them all. Automated editing saves the most time when you're producing a lot. Number six is don't remove every filler word. A completely sterile edit can feel pretty robotic, so leave just enough pauses for personality. So should you use Gling? If you're a YouTuber, podcaster, educator, coach, or someone who films talking videos and wants faster editing, this tool makes a ton of sense. It removes the boring part of editing and lets you focus on your message and other creative touches. However, if you prefer full manual control or you make cinematic or heavy effect videos, this tool might not fit your style. But if your content is mostly talking to camera and your biggest bottleneck is trimming and cleaning up your speech, this can easily save hours every single week. For consistent creators who want clean cuts fast, Gling is definitely worth giving a try and seeing how it fits into into your workflow. Editing doesn't have to be the thing that slows you down. Sometimes all you need is a clean first cut so you can put your energy into your story, your delivery, and your ideas. Tools like this help you stay consistent without burning out. If you want to check out Gling AI, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to breaking down AI tools in a simple and honest way so you can build and create online without feeling overwhelmed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.